Red screens, sharp sell-offs, and an unprecedented volatility across global tech markets. In recent weeks, software and IT stocks have slid worldwide, spooked by fears that artificial intelligence is advancing faster than businesses and workers can adapt. At the center of this disruption, one name keeps surfacing: Anthropic. As markets react, Anthropic's leadership was in New Delhi last week for the AI Impact Summit. The timing is striking because the tools Anthropic is rolling out right now are not experimental. They are already reshaping how work gets done. Anthropic's AI model, Claude, has taken a decisive step into the enterprise. With a new suite of plugins under its Claude Cowork platform, the AI is executing real work.
What is Cowork? For me, it is a way that anyone, technical or otherwise, can suddenly start to delegate tasks and again have that paired programmer experience of having an assistant or a very good, dedicated, focused colleague that never sleeps, is happy to do any task, no matter how menial, go and try something for you. You can give it a problem and get back a result.
In simple terms, Cowork turns Claude into an AI agent. It can open files, analyze data, generate documents, and move seamlessly across applications like Excel, PowerPoint, and Google Drive. The AI application has moved beyond being just a chatbot to being a digital coworker. The reverberations are being felt across the industry, from operations to human resources to equity research. In finance, Claude behaves like a junior analyst on overdrive. It conducts market and competitor research, builds financial models, and drafts analysis notes, compressing hours of work into minutes. In investment banking, the disruption runs deep. Claude reviews transaction documents, analyzes comparable companies, and prepares pitch decks, changing how deal teams operate. Human resources is being re-engineered. From job descriptions and offer letters to onboarding kits and performance summaries, Cowork is automating the administrative core of HR. Design teams are pairing Claude with creative tools like Figma. The AI generates creative briefs, copy variations, and decision documentation, acting like a tireless collaborator. For engineers, Claude handles technical documentation and decision write-ups, posting them directly into repositories, ticketing systems, and internal wikis. Operations teams can deploy Cowork to generate vendor summaries, project updates, and standard operating documents, adapting week to week as challenges change. Importantly, Claude can also learn. With brand voice plugins, Claude can be trained to sound exactly like your organization, matching tone, language, and editorial standards automatically. Anthropic is also allowing companies to build custom plugins. This turns Claude into a tailored AI workforce available through a digital marketplace.
As you're actually starting, the first biggest piece that you see is just time savings. It makes everything faster. The second is that quality of output. You suddenly get better floor-raising capabilities. And the third, you're extending this. You're helping with discoverability for how people are doing this at scale or across different teams or different individuals. So that, again, you're not sacrificing quality here for speed. You're combining both faster acceleration with better results and better extensibility.
This is why investors are uneasy. Earlier, legal AI plugins wiped billions of legal tech valuations. Now, Cowork's expansion into finance, HR, and operations raises bigger questions about white-collar disruption. And this is just the beginning. Leaps in agentic AI technology, enabling systems that don't just assist, but act, analyze problems, execute tasks, and deliver finished work, has raised fears not only of job cuts, but the continued relevance of several businesses. And investors are wondering not how, but when will the axe fall? Bureau Report, Business Today TV.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.